Right, just a quick video in relation to gauntlets. These gauntlets here came as part of the top half of a suit, and I bought them online at Etsy, and they are absolute garbage. They look nice from the top. In fact, this one is still sort of doing okay, but you do not want to fight in these. Main reason being, this may look fine until you look closer. This thing busted straight off just from swinging a sword around. I wasn't even getting hit on the arm or anything, it just ripped straight out of the fabric because the quality of the fabric that they use is absolute terrible. Some of it looks like leather, the rest is some sort of really absolute junk fabric. This whole entire plate just peeled straight off the glove, the rivet ripped straight out of here, and I wasn't even training that hard. As you can see, the fabric ripped here. Not only that, these were supposed to be new. I've only just gone out and tested them today for the first time. What is this? There's just a massive rip just happened just from holding onto a sword. And over here got another rip. I got rips in the fingers. That's not even related. Those bits don't even contact the sword. So that's absolute garbage. Would not recommend buying low quality gauntlets that come as part of a suit or anything like that. They look cool, but they're definitely not functional. This one has survived a lot better. For some reason they used proper sort of decent fabric on this, so there's no rips in this yet, no major holes. However, one small issue, this, what is this? This is just from swinging a sword around. It hasn't even been hit or anything, and just from moving my thumb up and down, this little pin has been completely ripped out of the joint that comes onto here. Not quite as bad as this one, which didn't break at the swivel point here, but the whole thumb guard plate just came off. It's really not good. Would not recommend. Even the fingers of the gauntlets aren't all that fancy, and the articulation is pretty terrible. So just watch out if you're buying medieval gauntlets online that you're actually getting something decent, otherwise you're going to have to go and get more. I'm going to have to get replacements for these because, well, that's not going to do, is it? I might be able to somewhat repair some of this, but I'm probably not going to be able to fix these massive holes that are just going to keep ripping in the terrible low quality fabric. So yeah, if you're going to get online gauntlets, get something good. Don't make the mistake I did and get the low quality junk that you're going to have to replace pretty fast, because this is like the first day that I've really tested them out, and well, they did not stand the test of time. They lasted probably about 20 minutes or less until they just completely fell apart. Anyway, just a real quick video on these medieval gauntlets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.